Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
and thank you. Good morning. I am styling my hair in Bantu knots. I have been placing these Bantu knots in my hair all around. And I want you to know that last year around this time I did my hair in Bantu knots. And it was so much easier to do the Bantu knots. Well, that's because my hair wasn't as long and it wasn't as thick. But now I realize that my hair has gotten thicker. The locks have puffed up a little bit. Well, I have been spraying my hair with water, sort of like squeezing it through and just going around wrapping it. And I wanted to do this one over because it looked like it was not going to stay. And if by chance you decide to style your hair, your Sisterlock, using Bantu knots, I am still not putting too much stress on my ends. And if yours does not want to stay, you can take a small band or ponytail holder like this, take it, and put it around, and it will stay. I have done them all, and that's the only one I've put a band on. It looks like this one wants to come loose, and I may do that one over as well. But I also need to do the front, and I left the front open so you can see exactly what I was doing. I want you to know that this gray hair of mine is just so unruly. I guess it's just like, you know, some older people in your life. They don't want to listen and do what you tell them to do because they are older, and gray represents older. Some people have said gray represents wisdom, but that's not always the case. And I am wrapping it around, and I am taking my ends and I'm just sort of like tucking them a little bit into the knot because the knot is really not tight. Now I have to decide if this is going to be 3 or 1. I want it to be 1. And today I'm just going to put on a head wrap. And this is another way you can do your Bantu knots. You can twist it, 2-strand twist. And I'm not going to go all the way to the end. And then I'm going to just go ahead and wrap it around. And it's 1, but this one is really loose, so I'm going to do it over. Notice it's already started curling, and I'm going to do this one by using a 2-strand twist because it looks like that works. That's good. I'm going to count them right now and see how many I have. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I think, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I think I have 24. And if that's not how many I have, you have been able to see it. So comment below if you think that I counted them wrong. The next time you see me, I will be taking these down. I'm going to wrap my hair in my head wrap for the day, or for however long I can take having this in, and I'll come back and show you just how this turns out. Have a wonderful day. I will talk to you later. I am back. Ready to take these Bantu knots out. First, I remembered that one of my Bantu knots had a band on it, so let me take that off if I can. It fell. Okay, got a little twirly thing going on here. These Bantu knots, that'll be coming out kind of nice here. Had them in all day for at least 4 hours. And now I am taking them out. And I like the look. I think I'm on to something. This one's still damp. And notice how it just dropped. But it'll shrink up in there. Hopefully that's the only one that's still damp. I don't think I've done a Bantu knot out on my hair since last year, this time when I was in Japan. And I will, as I stated earlier, post a link to that video in this one. It'll be right up here, I think, in the cards. Try to control this one. Try not to pull it all the way out. And that's my Bantu knot out. That's it. I'm a sister who loves her locks. I love my family and I love my friends. I love my subscribers. And I certainly love God because He's so great. He's awesome. And He's wonderful to me. Thank you for watching and you have a great evening.